My experience in the internationally accredited psychic development progression at the foundations level was beyond exciting from day one. It felt surreal to be in a space where people were learning to harness their psychic abilities. It was like being a wizard at Hogwarts, from Harry Potter. So from the very beginning, the environment was incredibly welcoming. We were all naturally a bit nervous because it was a new experience, but Cindy and the other tutors made us feel so comfortable. They created a safe space for us to test and develop our intuitive skills. Interacting with the tutor and my fellow students was amazing. Every week we practiced with a student, and the guidance I received from the other students was invaluable. It felt like we were learning and receiving free guidance on a weekly basis, which is really cool. And this collective support and practice really helped my daily life. And I believe it played a big part in aligning with my life's purpose and true mission. One exercise that truly propelled me on my journey was working together with a partner. We were asked to tune into each other's energy and share intuitive insights we received. I was paired with someone I've never met before, and we both felt a little nervous. But as we started, I could feel the connection, and we began sharing what I sensed. But my partner was amazed at the accuracy, and this experience really boosted my confidence tremendously. It showed me that the power of intuition and how it can be tapped into to help others, most importantly. So this journey has been incredible, and I'm so grateful for the supportive community at the International School of Intuition and Healing.